Hello there. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 recommended alternatives to the SEO tool Moz. Now, Moz is perhaps the most famous SEO tool out there. I have been using it for a long time. It was the first tool that I really dipped my toes into back when I was getting started with SEO. And it was great back then. What I would say though, in my opinion, does feel a little clunky in the modern day. The user interface hasn't really been updated so much. And again, in my opinion, I would say that some of its competitors have overtaken it. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 of these competitors that you might want to consider using instead. So if you go on to find this video to be useful, entertaining, memorable, go ahead and click the like button, share it with your friends in the SEO community, and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this, because we are uploading fantastic informational videos like this on a regular basis and you don't want to miss it. So the first tool that I want to show you is called Semrush. Again, this is pretty popular. If you've been working it in SEO for any indiscriminate amount of time, you've probably heard of it. If you haven't, the one thing that I do want to tell you about Semrush is that it's not just an SEO tool. You can use it to help with your paid ads, with your social media marketing, with your content marketing in general. It really is an all-in-one solution, and it's the most expensive tool we're going to be looking at in this video. But again, that is because it's an all-in-one solution. So you may find if you're using several different tools to assist with your paid ads and your social media, you may be able to ditch all of them and just use as Semrush. So I would say it's still worth the money. We'll take a look at the pricing tiers later. First, I want to show you some of the tools that I found to be particularly useful. So the keyword magic tool offered by Semrush is very intuitive, offers a lot of depth. You're just going to pop a seed keyword into the search bar. You're going to be offered thousands of ideas based on that. And you can filter these ideas by volume, intent, difficulty, and a lot more. And certainly I've found keywords using Semrush that I haven't been able to locate with other tools, including Moz. Position tracking tool with Semrush, again, very, very good. You're going to be able to track your daily rankings across mobile, desktop, local SEO if you're using that, and you're going to see which keywords have moved at a glance. It's very easy to see what's going on, and also like an explanation about why that's happened. You're also going to be able to set up alerts for when your rankings do shift. It all just works really, really well. So here's the pricing tiers. This is based on annual payment. You're going to get a discount with all the tools that we're looking at are going to offer you an annual discount. So this is the best way to compare prices, I would say. So it starts at $117 per month for the pro plan. And if you're going to be wanting to use all the tools and you have a lot of projects that you're working on, then the guru or the business plans may be more suitable for you. The second tool I want to look at in this video is called Ahrefs. Again, this is a very well-known tool. A lot of people have a lot of good things to say about it. So I'm going to show you some of the features that I found to be particularly handy. The backlink checker offered by Ahrefs is one of the best in the game. Well, in fact, it's the best in the game, and it says it on their own website here. The second most active web crawler after Google, which means it's the best in the industry. 493 billion pages in its index. So if you're looking for backlinks, this is where you want to go. The Keyword Explorer, again, is just a very well laid out tool. It's going to save you. You're going to be able to see what's going on very quickly. And again, of course, for you got stuff based on mobile, desktop, local SEO, all of that. These are just the parts that I found particularly do stand out. And so here's the pricing tiers. Again, a 17% discount if you pay annually, which means it starts at $99 per month for the light tier. Then you got $199 for the standard tier, $359 for the advanced. You can see what's offered in each tier here. And take a look at these extra light, I suppose, offerings as well for those of you who really are just getting started out. And the final tool I want to show you in this video is called SE Ranking. And the final tool I want to show you on this video is called SE Ranking, a little bit less well known. It's a lighter tool for sure, but that's what I like about it, to be honest. I worked on it for a smaller client project back in the day. And it certainly isn't clunky. In fact, it's the opposite. It's clean, it's fast, it covers most of what a normal SEO worker is gonna use without like basically being overwhelming and providing a ton of features that our beginners don't know what it works and they're not going to use it, right? So let's take a look at the couple of features that I really like. So here they are, the position tracking. Of course, something that all SEO people are going to need, but I really like how this is laid out. Again, you're going to be able to see what's going on super quickly. Very good for local SEO as well. And on this landing page here, you're even going to be able to check for 5 local SEO keywords for free, just because they're so proud of like how deep the information off it is. So that's pretty cool. You can check that out for yourself right now. Competitor analysis. And again, this is a part of SEO where how it shows the information matters, right? And I just think this page is so clean, and you're going to be able to see the SEO opportunities. They're going to stand out a lot more easily using this tool. And something I really like about this tool is the price points. We're starting, again, with the annual discount, you're starting at just $52 a month. Then we can see what each of the price different tiers are offering here. And again, we've got $95 for the Pro and $200 per month for the business tier. So those are my 3 recommended alternatives to Moz. Not here to throw shade at Moz at all. Of course, it is a very handy tool used by hundreds of thousands of businesses. For me, it's just a little clunky. So perhaps these 3 alternatives are something that you are going to want to just try out for yourself. Maybe you're going to like it better. Okay, if you do find this video to be useful, like I said, go ahead and click that like button. Share it with your friends in the SEO community. Leave a comment with your own opinions on this topic. And consider subscribing to this channel, because we are releasing a ton of videos on similar topics all the time. If you like this one, there's a very good chance you're going to like the other ones. If you've watched to the end of the video, thank you so much. My name is Joe, and hopefully I will see you in a future video.